he's so adorable. I mean, she's so adorable. Beena, what are you doing with that? Biting your toy? I told you not to bite it and not break it. Never mind, you're just a cute little puppy, not understanding. I love your collar. Anyways, you want some water? I think she's busy playing. Soupy Maker's a sad little guy. I mean, sad video.
Becky.
That it was my father, guys, and I'm my brother, and I'm a sister. Now this little cutie is in our family. He's my sister. This is the brother taking video, which is like these all the different little names he makes. You want to see names? Anyway, look at that cutie. Look at that cutie. Why are you sewing the butt? So funny. Anyway, guys, if you want us to make a part 2, you can.
Or we'll just end this video to get to the part 2 next time or tomorrow.
And also, if you want to do it, and you also, if you want to do it part 3, you need to comment down below for us.
And goodbye.
Goodbye.